Next one, we are going to discuss about types of matrices. Okay, first one, row matrix. This is a matrix that has only one row. Only one row. Example here, 1, 2, 3. Column matrix. This is a matrix that has only one column. Example 4, 5, 6. This particular matrix has only one column. Next one, square matrix. This is a matrix where the number of rows are equal to the number of columns. Okay, number of rows. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of rows 1, 2. Number of columns 1, 2. So we can call it as square matrix. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, and then column 3. So it is 3 cross 3 square matrix. Next one, rectangular matrix. In rectangular matrix, this is a matrix where the number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, just observe here the number of rows 1, 2, 3 here. Columns 1, 2, 3, and then 4. According to the definition, this is a matrix where the number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. So here we can denote it as A is equal to 3 into 4. Okay, so that is rectangular matrix. Next one, zero or null matrix. If each element of a matrix is 0, then it is called zero or null matrix. Each element 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is nothing but null matrix or zero matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. This is a square matrix where all elements are 0 except the ones on the leading diagonal. Square matrix. According to the definition of the square matrix, number of rows should be equal to number of columns. And all the elements are 0 except the ones on the leading diagonal. In general, diagonal is nothing but like this, right? So here, example 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 9. here number of rows and number of columns are equal. So we can call it a square matrix. All the elements are 0 except the ones on the leading diagonal. Okay, so just observe here 1, 2, 3. So these three part consist of a number. The remaining elements are filled with 0. Okay. Next one, unit or identity matrix. In identity matrix, a diagonal matrix where each element of the leading diagonal is 1 is called unit or identity matrix. Just now we discussed about the diagonal matrix. So we have to write down the diagonal matrix where each element of the leading diagonal is 1. Okay, so 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and then 1. So each element of the leading diagonal is 1. That is called identity matrix.